guys, welcome to my channel and this is Shravya. I'm back with another video. Plump Vitamin C Serum Review. First let's know how to use it. You have to first cleanse your face. I just came out of the shower, so I've cleansed my face. And you have to use a toner before using any serum. Not only this serum, before using any serum or moisturizer or whatever you do, first you have to use a toner on your face after cleansing. Don't skip your neck. Yeah, that's it. Let your toner dry for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, after letting your toner completely dry, take 4 drops of the serum. Make sure your face is completely dry. There is no dampness on your face. Okay. Apply 4 drops on your face, 1 on your forehead, 1 each on your cheek and 1 on your nose or chin. Now massage it into your skin with dabbing motions like this. Avoid applying it on your eyelids or like under your eyes. Do not massage your skin, that may lead to wrinkles. Not only the serums, don't massage anything into your skin like in this heavy motions. It may lead to wrinkles. Just dab products into your face, that's it. Yeah, that's it. And after using a serum, you can basically do anything. Apply moisturizer on your face and you're good to go. You can do anything, like you can just dab a bit of compact powder or start doing your makeup or anything. And now let's talk about the uses of this. Yeah, it does works well on my skin. It made my skin soft and supple. My skin generally tends to release lot of oil in summer, like in the T-zone and here on the cheeks, not completely, just here on the cheeks. It reduced the oiliness on my skin and it made my skin like bouncy. I don't know if you feel your skin bouncy or not, but I feel my skin sometimes dry and sometimes bouncy. Yeah, it made my skin bouncy and healthy too. It looks healthy these days. And I don't know if you noticed in my last video I had a big pimple over here. That pimple was there since 2 to 3 weeks. After using this, that pimple completely vanished. Yes, I have a mark of it, but yeah, hopefully it will also go. Yeah, it does works good. It makes your skin soft, supple, and it does reduces the amount of oil that your skin produces in this summer. Yeah, as of me, it's a very nice product. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please click on the like button, share and comment if you have any suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.